Go. You gotta interlock it like the last time.
No, you can't, because we have 2 boxes.
Oh. Wait, we'll put it like this. That's pretty close, right?
Sure is. That'll work.
Oh, what'd you think of the top?
I got at least a B.
What are you doing?
It should fit together, shouldn't it? Was that wrong?
Here they come.
Oh,
Here
man.
they come. That's because it's not exciting yet.
Shit.
So cool.
It's fucking huge.
This is amazing.
Can I eat one of this?
Fuck no.
What noises it's making?
Look at that.
Are you kidding me? So damn big.
That's so stupid. I'm gonna put a whole microwave.
Jim, look.
What?
Alright, now it's just like a big brain.
Take it out. I want to see it.
Not yet.
We got 35 seconds. Oh shit! It keeps going.
Is this the most you put in there so far?
Yeah.
8 of them?
10 of them.
Shit.
A big fucking blob.
So ridiculous.
We count down. 10, 9,
8.
This is all a
7,
video, Dave?
6.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peep off!
It goes down.
Look at it jiggle.
Let's make some s'mores.
It does kind of look good.
Yeah. It sure tastes fine.
I'll spill that shit, boy.
Oh, damn it, that's not exactly how I wanted it to work out.
What are you doing, boy? Why? You're gonna spill that shit. Quit it.
It's just a jiggle.
Yo, it reminds me of the shit from the Mario movie.
Oh!
You remember that movie? The Mario